Interactive visualizations can be very handy to summarize data. In my experience, in my examples, right now we're working on a project where we're summarizing a bunch of results by different customer types. And we have maybe about three or four customer types. And in this particular results, I've got about 10 or 12 slides for each group. And that can quickly get to 40, 60, 70 slides. That is a huge thing for people to go through. And if they wanted to compare, let's say, customer A's results against customer B's, you have to go to this slide versus this slide, and it's just very difficult. And then when you're using like an interactive dashboard or a visualization, that can then help make things easier because they can just use a drop-down menu and then see the results by the different groups. So instead of having to look at 80 or so slides, they can just look at 5 or 10. In more other cases where you've got data that's across like a geographic area, it can be quite handy to use an interactive visualization to kind of map that out, because it's easier for people to see locations on a map versus on a table. Cases where like the spread of sales across different towns or cities, that can be quite easier to see on a chart like that. The difficult thing with interactive visualizations is around trying to present it in a way that people can easily navigate, mainly around knowing kind of what sort of filters or slices of data that they want to use. So, across the top of my dashboards, I would have, date range, product type, customer type, channel type, and so on and so on. You have to kind of know what sort of cuts of data that people want to do before you send this report out or this dashboard out. So it involves you taking the time to go and talk to the stakeholders and asking them what do they need from the data, what sort of things they're going to be doing with it, and how they want to interact with it. So that way you can then build your interactive dashboard so that they can use it.